Assalamu alaikum, my brothers and sisters in Islam. I would like to personally invite you to join our new and exclusive course, the Prophetic Administration at Ilm Institute, covering a very important topic for the Ummah today. This course is a must for anyone and everyone who wants to administer and manage their affairs according to the administrative legacy of Prophet Muhammad ﷺ. The course instructor, Ustad Hunain, has employed a brand new approach using maps and illustrations and a variety of other visual components to make the topic easy to understand and a great learning experience for everyone from every walk of life. Barakallahu feekum. Do check out the free video. I'm sure you will enjoy it. Insha'Allah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.